वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्नोटेक। आज हम बात करेंगे मॉडर्न ऑटोमोबाइल्स के बारे में। एजेंडा: इंट्रोडक्शन टू मॉडर्न ऑटोमोबाइल्स, लर्न द न्यू टेक यूज इन मॉडर्न ऑटोमोबाइल्स। इसके अंदर हम 3 पॉइंट्स देखने वाले हैं मेनली। ABS ऑटोमेटिक ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम, सेकेंड है एडेप्टिव हाई बीम असिस्टेंस और थर्ड है कार्बन फाइबर। इंट्रोडक्शन में जो है, पहले जो व्हीकल्स बनती थी, कार्स बनती थी, वो मैनुअली बनती थी, लेकिन अभी जो मॉडर्न्स है वो रोबोटिक्स हो चुकी है, रोबोट्स के ज़रिए बनाई जा रही है। इसमें एक्यूरेसी और प्रिसीजन्स जो है, कंफर्ट जो है वो ज़्यादा हो रहा है। ये इसका इंट्रोडक्शन का मेन पार्ट था। और हमेशा से जो है डेवलपमेंट्स जो है ऑटोमोबाइल में, वो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में, इसका ग्राफ आप देख सकते हो। ओल्ड कार्स फीचर में जो था वो एनालॉग था। इसके स्टेयरिंग्स और कंफर्ट्स जो थे वो इतने लग्जरियस नहीं थे जो न्यू कार्स में हैं। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो स्क्रीन पर, न्यू कार्स फीचर में जो है लग्जरियस और कंफर्टनेस को काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस दिया गया है। आते हैं ABS की ओर। ऑटोमेटिक ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम एक्चुअली में क्या होता है ये बताऊंगा आपको। इट इज़ अ सेंसर बेस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. When vehicle move on the road and any obstruction comes in front of vehicle, then sensor sense the obstruction and immediate offers a braking system. On which working principle and ABS work, I would like to show you. This is an emitter, this is a receiver. The emitter emits the ray, you can see it. As the emitter rays reach the obstruction, it is catched by the receiver and the warning is given. On which operation an ABS works. Automatic braking systems works on a simple method, that is collision mitigation method. What is this method? As you can see, this is a car and this is another car. Both the car are running on the road. The blue car is equipped with ABS, that is automatic braking system. As the both car are moving on the road, you can see as they come closer, the emitter emits the ray, has the obstruction, and it's sent back to the receiver and the warning is given. Now coming towards the adaptive high beam assistant. Actually, what is the adaptive high beam assistant? I would like to show you. You can see the image. It's an headlight. Adaptive high beam assistance makes nighttime driving even safer. The system adjusts the headlight range automatically from vehicle coming from front. On which working of adaptive high beam assistant. It is based on a camera inside the front windscreen. The camera monitors the traffic situation in front of the car. An intelligent image processing algorithm calculate the distance. As you can see in the image, you can see that clearly that distance is given and the speed is also given in the image. The range of the adjustable headlights is set to 300 meters, that is 1000 feet. Now actually I would like to show how it's work. This is the car with adaptive high beam assistance, and this is another car coming from the front. As this car coming from the front, its lights fall on the car which is having adaptive high beam assistance. Its headlight gets down, and as the car passes, its headlight get on. This is the adaptive high beam assistance technology. This can be seen in Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar. In image you can see it more clearly. Now coming towards the third point, that is most important, that is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is a super strong material that's also extremely lightweight. Carbon fiber is very thin, even thinner than human hair. Engineers and designers love it because It's 200 times stronger than steel and 2 times stiff, yet has very less weight. And advantages of carbon fibers are, you can see the most of the bodies of cars are nowadays made up of carbon fiber. Most car components are made up of steel. Replacing steel components with carbon fiber would reduce the weight of most car by 60%. That 60% drop in weight would reduce that car's fuel consumption and cut greenhouse gas and other emissions. And directly, as the weight reduces, the average of vehicle increases and it reduces the fuel consumption. Thank you very much.